Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. Happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if this is going to be going up a little before Valentine's Day or after, or on Valentine's Day, but today I'm going to be doing a requested video from one of my friends. I'm going to be doing a Queen of Hearts look. So basically, not the Queen of Hearts from like the original animated Alice in Wonderland, but the like Alice Through the Looking Glass or Alice in Wonderland one with like Johnny Depp in it and stuff like that, the like real people version of Alice in Wonderland. I'm sure you noticed by the thumbnail. But yeah, so I wanted to do a little more like modern version for the hair because I just thought it'd be more fun that way. So I curled my hair, cute, and I'm wearing my little tiara. I actually wore this on my wedding and I haven't worn it since, so this is actually the first time I've worn it since my wedding, so that's kind of exciting. So yeah, that's my little like queen crown and my curly hair because her hair is like huge and crazy, but I am going to be doing the makeup pretty much the exact same, so I'm really excited about that. And I hope you guys are excited about this video. She really wanted me to do this video for Valentine's Day, so let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start off with primer because I'm going to be painting my face white. And whenever I do things like that, you can really see my pores and it really emphasizes them. So if I use a pore filling primer, you won't really see them as much. So I'm using the Cover FX blurring primer. I really love to use this primer with like normal foundation on my like normal day. So now we're going to be going in with foundation, but I have two options for you depending on which one you would rather do or which one would be easier to find. So the two options that I have are this Wet n Wild paint pot. It's just basically like a Halloween thing that they had going on. I don't know if this will still be available at the time of me filming, so I have another option, but basically, it's just like a white cream that you can use on your face for like Halloween looks or whatever you want to do. But my other option is this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Longwear Illuminating Foundation. This is actually a foundation that's pure white, so I love that. So that's another option that you could either use for like Halloween looks or something like this. So I've not actually tried this foundation out, like the real version or this version, so this will actually be my first time trying it out. I have used the paint pot before and I like it, so I'm just going to squeeze this on the back of my hand, and probably should have did this before, but I'm going to wet my sponge with the Smashbox primer water because that's how I'm going to be applying the foundation. Probably should have wet it before I started filming, but she forgot. So I'm basically just going to apply this all over the face. Rawr! Just kidding. So this foundation is definitely dewy like it says. As you can see, it's really shiny and dewy. That's not normally what I go for in a foundation. I can't take myself seriously looking like this. But I did blend it down the neck and stuff, so you could tell that I did that. Also, speaking of my shirt, cute. I wore my Cheshire Cat shirt. Can you imagine? Love that. Had to wear that for this because it's a Queen of Hearts, Cheshire Cat, Alice in Wonderland kind of thing, you know. And also back there, down there, I have an Alice in Wonderland eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay. If you guys would like me to do a tutorial with that, definitely let me know. But let's finish this tutorial. So now I'm going to go in with setting powder, which I have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder, which is white, so I thought that'd be perfect to set the white face because it's a white powder. Now, if you're doing any cosplay or Halloween kind of makeup. You always want to try to set your cream products just like your normal foundation. You want to set your cream products with a powder, so you could use like an eyeshadow or something that's a similar color. While I have this white powder, so I thought that'd go perfect to set the face, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'll do that off camera and I'll be right back. So now that she's set with powder, I'm going to go in with a actual like setting spray, because if I wanted this to stay on for a long time, I would do that. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. I really love this one. The Morphe setting spray is really good too. So is the Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is like supposed to be like a dupe for it. I really like it, and I like the other one. So now we're gonna go into the James Morphe palette. She cute. And to do the look, I'm gonna go in with shade Brother. So I'm actually going to go in with the white shade called Flashback first, just to set the lid. I did put a little powder down, but just to set it again, just to make sure that the eyeshadow lays down well. So I don't have a glue stick to make my eyebrows go away, so I guess we're just gonna have to deal with that. I actually didn't think that they would show up before filming this, but they definitely are. So as you see, they're actually there, if you were wondering. So I'm gonna take this Luxie flat angled brush with Brother and just start packing this onto the lid, and pretty much going all the way above my brow into like this area. So it's gonna be a minute. So just going to pack it on. So now we're going to go in with the black eyeliner. I have this Ciate London Wonder Wand. I really love this for the eyes, of course, but in this tutorial, she has a line across the top of her eyeshadow like that. Is the look starting to come together? Because I feel like I kind of look crazy. Because I probably do. So of course the iconic heart lip, where she has like a heart right here. So I put the white foundation on my lips, and now we're gonna go in with lipstick. So you're wondering, how am I gonna do the heart? Yeah, it'd be really hard to freehand it, but thankfully I don't have to. I'm gonna see if this works. So I have this stencil from Wet n Wild. It's the Intergalactic Unicorn, where it's got like stars and hearts and things like that. So I actually cut out one of the hearts that's actually like the size of my lip. So I'm going to peel this stencil off, put it on my lip, and then apply my red lipstick. I have the Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Red Rum. So let's get to applying. So let's see how it worked. It looks like it did. From far away at least. Let me look close up. Oh yeah, it did actually work. Cute, I love that. So if you didn't have this stencil and you were wanting to do this look, you could definitely just go with the curvature of your Cupid's bow and then make a point. If you wanted, you could use like some kind of lip brush instead of just going in with the applicator like I did. Like with some kind of lip brush, you could get more like precise, or you could even use something as small as like an eyeliner brush, and that might help. So lastly, to make this look even more fun, I think I look like the Queen of Hearts, except for my hair's not orange and crazy. It's just a little curly. But I have these lashes that I thought would go good. When I was looking at the picture of her, she had like really dramatic lashes on. So I found the most dramatic ones that I have, or that look like the most dramatic ones that I have. These are the Fright Night by Ardell, Bat Those Lashes, and they're in the style 141. You guys know I love Ardell lashes, so, and if you guys want to know how to apply false lashes, I do have a video that I will link down below of how to apply false lashes so you guys can actually see the application if you guys have trouble doing that. Yeah, I just am gonna put these on and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. This was really fun to make, and I hope you enjoyed. If you guys would like me to do any more tutorials like this, definitely let me know. It could be about anything, or if you guys would like me to do like more cosplay kind of looks or avant-garde, anything like that. If you guys would like me to maybe try Cheshire Cat out, or maybe even like drawing like flowers all over my face and things like that, where it's just like different than just normal makeup tutorials, definitely let me know if you want to see that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video, my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.